on this video here, I'm going to show you and how to remove or disattach the CPU fan. There are 4 tabs. 1, 2, 3, 4. All you need to do is get a flat screwdriver, then rotate the pin counterclockwise like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and finally 4. Then pull the pin. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now that the tabs, the pin are loose, then all you need to do is pull the CPU fan gently. Okay, and you will see the dirt here all over the CPU chip casing, so we need to clean this all. Okay, using a computer blower here, we need to blow that dust here using this computer blower like this. Now we need to uncover the CPU. Right here, here's the lock. Then a few tick, then up, then move or pull the CPU chip gently, carefully. Okay, because you might damage the pin inside it. Then all we need to do is clean the chip, the case of the CPU using a power blower right here. After the CPU casing has been cleaned and the CPU chip here, now we need to place it on the CPU casing right here. Then put on the lock. Just be careful because it has a groove on it, so you don't get wrong. Okay, then lock here, that just press. Okay, then put some thermal paste here on the top of the CPU chip. Cooling, this is the cooling thermal paste. Okay, it's like a wax.